Today, I want to show you a tool that I developed to integrate OpenAI in financial statements inside Excel file. So basically here, we will ask OpenAI to make the analysis of the financial statements of the balance sheet statement and the income statement. So here, in this case, we have the information for 2022 and 2020 of the balance sheet, talking about the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. I also had here the main bridges, talking about the main variances between accounts year over year. So it's a very simple structure. We also have the income statement information, which will have the net sale, cost sales, operating expenses, and net income information from the same time period, and a bridge as well. So here I wanted to create a dynamic prompt to ask OpenAI. So here we have the main input, which will be company name, current period and previous period. Here we can change for budget, forecast, and so on. And I also wanted to ask for some data about the competitors of Apple. So let's say that I will change the information here for 2021, for example. I will make a click on the OpenAI icon. He will ask the questions to OpenAI and return the answer. So for example, in the first cell here in C, column C, I have the analysis of the performance. I'm talking about the balance sheet, the main highlights in the balance sheets, the main highlights in profitability, for example, cost structure, R&D, and the analysis against the main competitors of Apple. I also wanted to create a forecast based on our historical information. So as you can see here, we have the balance sheet forecast, account by account, with the main variation, the percentage of the variation between years. In this case, we will have also income statement forecast. And I wanted to ask the main assumption that OpenAI made to get those numbers. So for example, the first one will be the increase in net sale is based on historical growth trends and expected market demand for Apple products and services. So this is a simple example of all that we can do with OpenAI. We can also ask to OpenAI to give us a database. The possibilities are endless. So I hope that you like this file and stay tuned for more information.